And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 24. Let me show you how you can use the ellipse tool right here to create circles. So it works the same way as with rectangles. You just left click drag after activating the tool, and then you have these squares to transform it. But what's new is this circle, because this now creates an open shape and you can close it right here. I'm going to talk about the details of that later on. For now, we'll just stick to the default circle or ellipse, which is closed. So when you have an open shape, even if it's inverted, use this function up here. You can freeform drag short keys while you drag. Shift will reposition the origin center and Control will make it snap into certain aspect ratios. If you want to have a perfect circle, you need to hold Control and then go to a 45-degree angle with your cursor. And this will make width and height have the same size, therefore aspect ratio is 1:1, and this gives us a perfect circle. You can left click on it again using the selection tool and then rotate it. For a circle, you don't really see that, obviously. But if I make that an ellipse, here we have the rotation and the colors still work the way right here as they worked with rectangles. So just left click on the swatches to give it a fill and hold shift and click on the swatches to adjust the stroke color. And these are the basics of creating ellipses and circles in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.